students, welcome to computer class. In this class, we are going to summarize the topic which you have learned in a previous class, that is file management in Windows 7. Summary of the chapter. File management is most important task in Windows 7. File management will allow you to create, select, copy, move and rename files and folders on your computer. What did you mean by file here? Before going to definition of the file management, let us discuss about file. What did you mean by file and folder? Files are a common storage unit in a computer, and all programs, data or information are written into the files and read from the files. Types of files are there, such as image file, audio file, text file, document file, etc. There are different types of files are available. Then folder. Folder is used to organize your file in a systematic manner. Folder contains files and even subfolders. Definition of file management. File management is organizing and keeping track of files and folders so that information are easily located. File management is organizing. Organizing means arranging all files in a systematic manner and keeping track of files and folders. You can use it to see how your file are organized, and it can be copied, moved from one place to one drive to another drive, so that information are easily accessible. We can use those information easily and we can locate those information easily in a systematic manner. The best example for the file management is library. In library, the book cupboards are arranged in a systematic manner. Their science books are arranged in one cupboard, and English story books are arranged in one cupboard, and Kannada books are arranged in another cupboard. Their cupboards are the folders and books are the files. Computer is a commonly used tool for file management because it allows you to access different drives and folders. When you open a computer folder, you see a window open. This window is called as Windows Explorer, or nowadays it is also called as File Explorer. This allows you to access all the removable storage such as CDs, DVDs, pen drives, SD memory cards, whatever you inject in a CPU, those are all storage unit you will get to see in the computer section. To view the computer, here are the steps. First step is click on the start button and then click the computer. This allows you to access the different drives which are present in a computer system. Now coming to Windows Explorer. The Windows Explorer is an indispensable tool in an operating system. The meaning of indispensable is necessary option in an operating system. With it we can organize and control the files and folders of different storage system at our disposal. The meaning of disposal is decision. At our decision, we can organize and control the files and folders at our decision. The Windows Explorer is also known as File Manager. Through it, we can delete the file and folder, and we can copy the file and folder from one drive to the another drive, and we can move the files and folders. Ways to access the Windows Explorer. Here is steps to access the Windows Explorer. First, click on Start button and then click on All Programs and then Accessories. In Accessories, select the option Windows Explorer. The various parts of these windows are designed to help you navigate around Windows or work with files, folders and libraries more easily, such as navigate pane, back and forward button, toolbar, address bar, library pane, file list and search box, detail pane, etc. Windows 7 uses the concept of virtual folders for documents, music, pictures, videos, favorites, etc. Windows 7 also supports manual creation of custom virtual folders. Folders and files can be created, copied, moved, renamed, and deleted. You can move or copy files or folders using the variety of methods such as file menu method, organize menu method, and right click method. With the help of these three methods, we can create a folder, we can rename a folder, or we can delete the folder. Creating a folder using file menu method. First click on file menu and then click on folder and then click on new. Creating a folder using organize menu method. First click on the organize button and then click on new folder. A new folder is created. You can give the name whatever you want. Third method to create a folder is right click method. Right click in a selected destination path in which drive you want to create a folder and then select new. In a cascading menu, select the folder and create a folder and give the name whatever you want. Renaming a folder. Using the file menu method, rename the folder. Select the source item. Select the file which you want to rename it. Select the file which you want to rename it and then click on the file menu and then click on the rename option and you can give the alternative name. Rename a folder using organize menu method. First select the source item. Select the folder which you want to rename and click on organize menu and then rename followed by rename option and you can give the name. Rename a folder using right click method, that is third method. Right click on the selected folder which you want to rename. Right click on that folder and then select rename option and you can give the name. Steps to delete a folder. You can delete a folder anytime, but note that when you delete a folder, also folders and files in a folder, files within the folders will also be deleted. Here are three methods to delete a folder. First one is file menu method, next one is second one is organize menu method, third one is right click method. First one, file menu method to delete a folder. First select the folder which you want to delete. Select the source item and go to file option. Go to file menu option, in that followed by delete option. Second, organize menu method to delete a folder. First select the source item. Select the source folder that which you want to delete, the folder which you want to delete, and go to organize option, organize menu followed by the delete option. So the folder and the subfolder, the folder within the folder are also deleted. Third method, right click method to delete a folder. First select the folder which you want to delete and right click on that folder and followed by delete option. Click on the delete option. This deletes your folder. In all the methods, in all the three methods, when you choose the delete option, the following delete folder dialog box appears. In that you have to choose yes option to delete the folder. Selecting the files. Selecting files. There are two methods to select the files. For the selection of the files, that are contiguous selection and non-contiguous selections. Contiguous selection, what did you mean by contiguous selection? Contiguous selection means the files or folders which are adjacent to each other. That means which are continuous one after the other. The files which are one after the other or continuously. If you want to select the files continuously, it is called as contiguous selection. Non-contiguous selection, the meaning of non-contiguous selection is the files which are not adjacent to each other, which are not one after the other in a random way. If you want to select the files in a random way, that is one first file, next third file, next fifth file, it is called as non-contiguous selection. Contiguous selection means the files which are one after the other, which are adjacent to each other, and non-contiguous means the files which are not adjacent to each other. Steps for contiguous selection of files. First, select the topmost file on the list. The selected file will appear with the blue background. Hold the shift key. From one hand you have to select the topmost file, and from the another hand you have to click on the shift key which is present in a keyboard. Immediately click on the bottommost file with the help of the mouse. All of the files should now appear with the light blue background. Once the block is selected, you can move those files from one drive to another drive, and you can rename those files, and you can copy those files from one folder to another folder. Now, steps for non-contiguous selection of files. First, select the first entry, means first file which you want to select. Select the first entry. It does not have to be the topmost. It may be in a random way. Whichever you want, you can select it. And hold down the control key. From another hand, hold down the control key in a keyboard while you click on the another file that you wanted to select. Then you can randomly choose the file which you want to move or which you want to rename the file. Now, what will be the difference between contiguous selection and non-contiguous selection? Selecting the two or more files on the disk which are adjacent to each other, which are one after the another. Non-contiguous selection, selecting two or more files on disk which are not adjacent to each other, which are not one after the another in a random way, the files which are in a random way. Method for the contiguous selection: first click on the topmost file plus hold the shift key and click on the bottommost file. Steps for non-contiguous selection: select first entry file or select the first file and plus hold the control key and click on the another file that you want to select. For the contiguous selection, we use shift key. For the non-contiguous selection, we use control key. Copying and moving file and folders. Sometimes you will need to move a file from one folder to another or copy a file from one folder to another, leaving the file in a first location and placing a copy of it in a second location. You can move, copy a file or folder using variety of methods. First method: open a drive or folder containing the file you want to copy. Select the file or folder you want to copy. Click the organize button. In that, choose the copy option. Open the destination folder where you want to copy the file. Click the organize button again and then click paste. When you copy a file from one location to another location, it doesn't affect the original file. But the duplicate file is copied to another location. Copy retains the original file. It doesn't affect the original file. The shortcut key to copy a file is Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. And the steps for copying a file is: select the source file. Select the file which you want to copy and click on organize menu and then followed by copy option and destination file, and click on the destination file where you want to copy the duplicate file and then click on the paste option. Moving file or folder. Moving is to move the original file from one location to the another location. means the original file gets deleted in a initial location, in a initial drive. It is moved to the new drive. It is moved to the new location. Move command deletes the original file. The shortcut key to move the file or folder is Ctrl X for cut and Ctrl V for paste. The steps for moving a file or folder is select the source file which you want to move and click on the organize menu and click on the cut option and go to the destination file. Again click on organize button and click on the paste option. So then, thank you.